As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Guys, welcome back to the fish tank. Today, we are finally giving away our Autism Awareness Corvette and our Moonshine Runner Ford Galaxy. And like I promised, guys, in our last video, we are going to give away these two cars today because it's a sign of appreciation to you guys, especially in this big moment, because I just realized yesterday, that was Saturday, that we hit 800 subscribers. I know that is a very small number, but honestly, it's one of those things that I never honestly thought of would happen to me, since this was just something to do during COVID. It was kind of a thing I didn't think would grow as big as it did. I really, really appreciate all of you guys for coming in each and every week, and I wouldn't be doing this without the support of you guys. So thank you to you. Guys, let's jump back into what we are doing today. So again, like I said, today we are picking our winner for these two cool cars that we built. Again, it's the Autism Awareness 80s Corvette that we did for the Dibs Boys, and also the Moonshine Runner Ford Galaxy that we did with our friend Killer of R&R. Alright guys, I already set it up in the YouTube random comment picker. Everything is picked out. The link is in. Both is in for the hashtag that we were supposed to use to win this car. And we did everything to set it up, so we're all good there. Now, let's go pick a winner. Congratulations to the Gregorless Den. You are our winner, and you will have 24 hours to claim your prizes. If you don't, we will redraw right now to pick a backup winner. So let's go see who our backup winner is going to be. All right, Neil. If our winner doesn't answer us within 24 hours, you are our winner. Congratulations to both of you. Remember, our winner has 24 hours to answer. If he doesn't, Neil, you are our lucky winner. Guys, thank you very much for stopping by the fish tank. Guys, thank you very much to getting us to 800 subscribers. I wouldn't be making these videos pretty much each and every week for you guys without your support. Also, congratulations to our winners once again. You have 24 hours to claim your prize, or Neil will be taking it from you. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by the fish tank. Look out for a video tomorrow of our COE International that we are doing for Big Charlie. I know you guys are big on this Tootsie Toy little series we're doing, so I really appreciate the support, and look out for that one, because that one is going to be a shorter video, but it was one of those weekend let's get it done kind of builds. Guys, we will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.